Getting a good night's sleep has countless benefits for the body and the mind. Of course, having a healthy sleep pattern allows the body to heal and restore itself every night. It ensures your immune system can function optimally, and it has a strongly positive impact on your memory, your reaction times, your creativity, and your overall mood. There are a number of factors that can interfere with your sleep and cause you to wake up at night. These include physical issues like sleep apnea, where a person can have trouble breathing in their sleep. If you suspect sleep apnea may be a problem for you, it's important to consult a medical professional. And lifestyle factors too, like too much food or alcohol near bedtime, as well as environmental factors like noise in a hot, stuffy bedroom, can contribute to nighttime awakenings. Finally, many people with food intolerance problems find that their sleep improves when the offending food is removed from their diet. We recommend reading up on the principles of sleep hygiene to learn more about the changes you can make in your lifestyle and in your environment to improve your overall sleep quality. In addition to these physical aspects, psychological factors like ongoing stress and anxiety can cause the mind to be on a high alert mode, unconsciously looking out for danger like a meerkat constantly scanning the horizon for threats, which can in turn reduce your sleep quality. Excessive worrying during the day is known to cause the brain to overdream at night, which interferes with the deeper stages of sleep and can make people more likely to wake up in the early hours of the morning. And sleep itself can become an object of worry for some people, where after a period of poor sleep, they begin to associate bedtime with restlessness and agitation. So, anxiety, stress and worry can be major factors behind restless sleep and nighttime awakenings. The deeply relaxing hypnotic part of this session is going to help you recondition your mind to associate sleep with a deep state of rest, relaxation and calm, so that you can free yourself from those old worry patterns you may have formed about your sleep and develop a much healthier, more restful sleep pattern over the coming days and weeks. It's also important to remember that sleep isn't a single state that's simply turned on or off. It's a biological process with multiple stages to it. Every 90 minutes or so through the night, we gradually sink down into the deeper stages of sleep, and then we float back up to the lighter stages of sleep. And it's perfectly normal for people to sometimes have an awareness of the room around them as they enter the lighter stages of sleep. When someone's stressed and anxious about their sleep, they might worry that being semi-aware of the room around them means that they've woken up, when in fact they're simply in one of the lighter stages of sleep. When you relax and allow this natural process of drifting through the different stages of sleep to occur, then you'll tend to find that you glide between the stages of sleep more smoothly and easily, and that you don't even recall those lighter stages of sleep the next day. Another way to reassure yourself that you're sleeping better than you maybe think is to use a wrist sleep tracker, which hooks up with your phone and shows you your sleep patterns the next morning. So as you listen to this session on a regular basis, you'll find that you're consistently experiencing deeper, more restful sleep as you relax and allow your unconscious mind to naturally take you through the different stages of sleep each night in a way that takes no conscious effort on your part.